Can you hear me now? Sorry.
Yes, yes, it's fine.
Great.
You can go ahead.
Okay, great. Okay, I'm using another laptop and okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zhen Liu, the Executive Director of the International Society for Data Earth. I'm very honored to attend this conference on climate action with so many young African entrepreneurs. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the University College of Water Science and Engineering, Ghana, and Nexus International University, Uganda, for hosting this event. I'm very honored to be able to attend this conference because of Dr. Arnold's invitation. So I think climate change is very important topic. Responding.
Sorry, excuse me. We seem to have a technical issue, so would you kindly share your whole screen so we can see the slides moving?
Share the whole screen. 你这个没有那个啥。不行。Is it okay now?
Yes, it's perfect. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'll continue. So responding to the climate change is a critical component in achieving the UN SDGs and is very important for every country, every enterprise, and every person in terms of the sustainable development. Last week on the UN Forum, a special session was organized with the theme of utilizing digital innovation to promote sustainable peace and resilience in the context of climate change. So we can see the climate change has always been the core of attention. And for the International Society for Data Earth, we are aiming to benefit the society by using Data Earth technologies. And the society is always committed to advancing actions in response to climate change. We are very pleased to share our efforts with so many international experts and especially today the young entrepreneurs today here for the same purpose, for the Earth's sustainable development. And from my point, I will show you about a little bit about the International Society for Data Earth. Can you hear my? Can you see my screen? Right. I hope it works.
Yes, we can see it.
The International Society for Data Earth was founded in 2004, and it's a non-governmental international academic organization which was initiated by the Chinese Academy of Sciences and co-founded by relevant institutes at home and abroad around the world. Its mission is to benefit society by promoting the development and realization of Data Earth. And ISDE has bureau and council. The bureau has 7 persons, and the council is composed of 29 experts from 19 countries. And we also have a Professor Kamel from Morocco, who is president of AARSE, I think, who is a council member of our society. We worked a lot together to promote relevant works. And ISDE also has 6 national and regional chapters around the world, such as European chapter, Russian chapter, Japanese, Chinese, and India and Australian chapters. And we hope we can have the next one will be the Africa chapter sometime in the near future. And also, ISDE has 6 working groups. Here, I would like to invite all of you to join these working groups to promote Digital Earth, especially in the industry engagement for the Digital Earth working group 2. So with all the members, you can do more to promote these technologies. And ISDE also has made many academic activities. Since 1999, ISDE has held 30 international symposiums on Digital Earth in 10 countries and 9 Digital Earth summits in 8 countries. We already attracted tens of thousands of experts, scholars, governments, and the people from the industry and business who from the more than 70 countries and regions. Next year, we'll have the 10th Digital Earth Summit in Rwanda. So welcome all of you to attend this summit. ISDE also has a very important workshop, ISDE workshop on Digital Earth vision. We organize this workshop every 10 years. So with these workshops, we just have some position papers published in top journals. And ISDE also has an online event called International Lectures. So far, we already organized 9 international lectures, attracting more than 40,000 experts worldwide. I think it's very easy for you to follow what is going on with Digital Earth technologies. Here, I would like to introduce you the new network of ISDE called the Young Scientist and Innovation Network. This network was established last year. It's to empower young scientists in the field of Digital Earth, promote the development of crucial concepts and innovative technologies of Digital Earth to contribute the global sustainable development by using digital technologies. And last year, we organized the first Youth Innovation Forum in Beijing, and we also organized the lectures just for our Digital Earth youth innovation. So just invite you to attend these kind of activities. This year in December, we will organize the second Youth Innovation Forum on Digital Earth in Hong Kong, China. I think it's a good opportunity for all our young scientists and entrepreneurs to work together to promote this kind of digital technologies, innovation to drive sustainable development. And also here is a summit I just announced. This Digital Earth Summit will be in Kigali, Rwanda in this November. With the theme of digital intelligence to sense our planet and sustain its future. All of you are very welcomed to attend. Now I would like to introduce a bit about the collaboration, international collaboration. ISDE joined the GEO in 2009, and last year we attended the GEO Week in South Africa. We met Digital Earth Africa colleagues, and we talked a lot. I think we can do more in the future. And ISDE also is a member of ISC, the International Science Council, and we joined the UNGGIMJS in 2019. Sorry. Is everything okay? Okay, I'll continue.
Go ahead.
Yeah. And ISDE also has signed a MOU with the Moroccan Association of Remote Sensing and Environment with Professor Kamel in 2018, and we continued the MOU last year. And we also signed MOU with AARSE in 2016, and with other international organizations such as CODATA, RSPRS. So we would like to get more partners in Africa, so we can do more to promote Digital Earth in Africa. And it's a Digital Belt and Road Alliance, which was established in 2017. And we got more than 10 organizations to support this alliance. And last year, we organized a very successful forum to focus on the digital Earth and sustainable development in Belt and Road countries. So we will continue this kind of activities in the future. And the last one is about academic publications. ISDE has 2 journals. Maybe some of you have published papers in these 2 journals. One is International Journal of Digital Earth, which is a ICI journal with impact factor of 5.1, and another one is Big Earth Data. This is a new journal, but it's published the data paper very well. So welcome all of you to contribute to these journals. And ISDE also published the Manual of Digital Earth, which is published in 2019, and it has got more than 1 million downloads worldwide. It's free access, so all of you can follow this this link, some link from ISDE website to get this book. I think you can get more from this publication. Okay, that's all for my just a short presentation about the ISDE. And I would like to say through my brief introduction, you can know just a little about ISDE. Later, I will share Digital Earth ISDE web link to the chat box and for you to know more. And finally, I would like to sincerely thank the organizers to have such kind of wonderful event with so many entrepreneurs to focus on the climate change issue. And I sincerely wish the conference a great success and hope all of you enjoy today. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. We have learned quite a lot about ISDE. We really appreciate your input. Now we're moving on to the next speaker, and we are going to call upon Stephanie Solal from Tino Solutions Limited, Ghana, to give us her speech about successful climate startups, the case of Tino Solutions. Stephanie, the floor is yours. And I request that you share your entire screen so we can be able to follow the slides. Stephanie? Hello? Hello, Stephanie? Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Stephanie, are you with us?
You can hear you.
She seems to be having a network issue. All right. In the meantime, as we wait for her to come around, I think we can start tackling the question. There's a question that we got here from Professor Nana. Please, we want to know more about the procedure for submitting research to the IPCC and more information on the IPCC scholarship. Since the next session is the question and answer session, I think we can start as we wait for her to fix the network issue, then we can proceed. The question was from Jean Paul, and the question was for Professor Nana. Is she around to tackle the question? It seems she has left already. Do we have another question? Do we have anyone with a question? You can kindly just raise your hand. It can be a question to the speaker that has just finished or to one of the previous speakers. All right, thank you. So there's a question here. Dear Minnie Lee, I would like to know how can we integrate botanical data with digital earth technologies in order to better make, monitor, I believe, and predict the impacts of climate change on plant species?
I think I would like to respond to this question a little bit. Thanks for your question about the botanical data with digital channel. As for the data, I think it's data sharing is very important issue for our researchers, not only in China but also in every countries. But as I know, the data for different countries are a little bit limited by owned by the certain institutes. I don't know much about the botanical data, but I would like to say something about the remote sensing data or the Earth observation data. I would like to recommend you to find some data from the CBAR's website. As I know, they just launched a satellite last year, which is about the sustainable development. It provides many data like the night light, like some city expansion. They just provide, they got and provide many data like this. I don't know exactly they provided the botanical data, but you can try to find some useful link from that website, I think. The center is very famous for its target for its purpose of doing research in the sustainable development, which is a UN a relevant organization. So I recommend you to have more resources from that center. And later I will type the web link into the chat box and let you know. Hope this can help you more. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. There's another question for you about International Society for Digital Earth. We want to know how we can integrate one of the working group and how can we have a country chapter in Africa?
Wow, that's a good question. For our working groups, we already established 6 working groups. It's not enough. We are doing more to promote different research in different areas. If you are interested in one working group, you can find the working group contact emails of the chairman. I think I will type that web link into the chat box for you to get more information and contact them. And you can just download the application form and send the form to the working group chairs. They will involve you to more activities in the future of their future plans. And to have a country chapter in Africa, as I just know, Africa, maybe we can not, we can have a chapter like Africa chapter, not a country chapter in Africa. For example, we have a council member from Morocco. We also have some contact with scientists from South Africa. maybe we can just do like in the European chapter. European chapter we have it several years ago, but we had it because different countries in Europe want to establish a chapter under the ISDE so they can do more to promote theaters in Europe. Why not in Africa? So if I think it's a good way to have an African chapter with many supports or contributions from different African countries. So I will leave this question to you. Maybe some of you would like to have such kind of chapter, and you can combine with different scientists from different African countries and submit that application to ISDE, to the ISDE Secretariat. We can do some promotion on this issue. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So the next question is, hello, Director Liu, how can we use remote sensing data to map the distribution of plant species? What are the challenges of using GIS to analyze botanical data? How can we use ESMs to predict the impacts of climate change on plant populations? What are the ethical considerations of using digital earth technologies to study plant species? How can we ensure the benefits of integrating botanical data with digital earth technologies are shared equitably? Quite a lot of questions. I think you can just take them one after another as much as you can. Yeah.
Yeah. Really, it's hard to answer all those questions from my side because I'm not an expert in the planet species. As I know, the remote sensing data and the digital technology can do more to map the distribution of plant species. We can detect different plant species in different scales. How much about the scales, I couldn't say that. I'm not expert in this field. So what I can do is recommend you to read some papers from IGDE maybe, and you can get some answers. Many scientists are doing such kind of research about the distribution of plant species, not only in Asia, but also Africa. As I know, some experts are doing water monitoring in Africa. So I think that's just one specific you need to focus on. I'm not an expert. I couldn't see more, but later when I type the link into the chat box, I hope the link will provide you with some useful data for you to use in the future, not only in plant species, probably urban extension, or in the satellite to such kind of data. So shall I move to the next question? Where can we get more information on the workshops you mentioned? Yeah, I'll send the link. One link is about the CBARS, the center that focuses on sustainable development, to what kind of data you can get for free from that center. And one link is for the workshops. Actually, for our workshops, for our lectures, and many activities, we if it is online events, we just give some playback link on ISDE website. So the website I just type is very useful. You can find more information, more lectures you want from that link. And about the upcoming summit, what are the requirements for one to participate? I think everyone can participate in the summit. It's in Kigali, Rwanda. if you just look through ISDE website, you will find the link to the summit, and you can register and submit a report, and then you just go there to give your presentation or listen to more presentations. I think that's easy for you to attend the summit.
Yeah, I think that's okay. I really like to appreciate you for answering all the questions as much as you could. We appreciate. So we have come to the end of the first session, and ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request all of us to turn on our cameras so we can take a photo for the end of this session. Then we are going to take a 10 minutes break, and then we come back for the second session. Can we all put on our cameras, please?
在那打开哦，能打吗？
The technical team, I hope we are together. Let us know when you're done. Hello, David, is it okay now?
Yes, hold on a bit.
All right.
Yes, I think we are good now.
Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you. We take a 10 minutes break, and then we will come back for the second session.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.